Good morning, everyone. Now, come to the next point, the lakhs play value chart. Okay, it means 6-digit place value chart. Here, ones, this is the place value of ones, then thousands, and then lakhs. Okay, ones, thousand, and lakhs. Now, come to the exercise 1.3. Write in words the place value of digit in blue. You have to write the place value in words that is shown in blue letter. Okay, the first is 43,102. Here we have to find the place value of this one digit. This is value 1. The place value of this digit is 100. Okay, so you have to write like this, the place value of 7 in 700 or 700. तो आप इस तरीके से इसको लिख सकते हैं. देखिए, look at here, the place value of 1 is 100 or 100. Okay, this is the solution of question number A. ठीक, you have to solve all these questions. I think you have to solve only 5 questions. Okay, in your copy you have to solve 5 questions in your copy in exercise 1.3. Now come to the exercise 1.4, filling the blanks. This question you have to solve in your book only. Don't write in your copy. Write down the place value of these digits. Okay, जैसे लिखा है ये 7, 3, 4, 9, 2, 5. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, then lakhs. 5 ones, 2 tens, 900, 4,000, 3 10,000, and 7 lakhs. So you have to solve these questions very easily in your book. Now next question is question number B. Write in the expanded form as A3 above. जैसे A के 3 का बताया है उस तरीके से हमें एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म में लिखना है. इट मीन्स ये वाला यू हैव टू राइट इन एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू मेक द टेबल ऑफ लैक्स. दिस इज द इजी वे, दिस इज द easy method of solving this question. Make the table like this: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, and lakhs. You have to write these digits likewise. इस तरीके से आप लिख लो. And the second method is you have to write like this also. This is second step. Step 2. This is step 1. Okay, 3 lakhs, it means 3. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, and lakh plus 50,000. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, plus 3,000 plus 400 plus 30 plus 9. These are the 2 steps of solving question number B. Now question number C. Write in the standard form. अब यहाँ हमें ये expanded form में दिया हुआ है. You have to write the condensed form, the short form of this expanded form. Okay. The first is 4,000 plus 300 plus 80,000 plus 8 plus 20. First of all, you have to write this question according their place values. In place values के according इसको पहले हम rewrite करते हैं. 80,000 सबसे पहले, then 4,000, then 300 plus 20 plus ones. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Then you will write down the short form of this question in standard form. Okay. Now question number 2 is 40,000 plus 200 plus 5. So here 10,000 is here, but 1000 place value is 0. Then 100, tens is not there, write down 0 here also. Then 5, 40,205. जिस प्लेस वैल्यू में कोई नंबर नहीं होता है उस प्लेस वैल्यू में हम 0 पुट करते हैं. ओके, यू पुट द 0 in if place value is not there, any other place value is not there. Okay, now next, ये हमारा क्वेश्चन है. देन अब आप काउंट द नंबर ऑफ जीरोस. हम जीरोस को काउंट करके उसके अकॉर्डिंग लिखेंगे. वेरी फर्स्ट द वंस प्लेस वैल्यू 7, then 40, then 500 100, then 6000 6000, then 4 into 1 2 3 4 4 into 10,000, it means 40,000. So write down likewise it. Then you have to write, this is short form, this is the standard form of this question. Okay, now come to the exercise 1.5. This is the exercise 1.5. Fill in the correct symbol like this. The solution of this exercise is, here you have to make this chart, the place value chart, and I am already write down here the questions, है ना. This place value chart has some digit. Okay, contain some digit. First is write down here this number 32606. Write down the according their place value, and next one is 32706. If we compare two digits to each other according their place value, so look at here, all place values are same instead of 100. Here is 6 and here is 7. So 7 is greater than 6. It means 32606 is less than 32706. 32706 is greater than 32606. Okay. Now take another question is 8,78,356 and 8,78,346. All digits are same in this in two numbers. Okay, but the place value of tens, the number are different. 5 is greater than 4. It means 8,78,356 is greater than 8,078,346, because 5 is greater than 6. Okay, so you have to compare the numbers to each other. Okay, now next question is, write the following number in ascending order. Same according the place value chart. एक place value chart बनाया. Write all four numbers. ये 4 numbers पूरे मैंने इसमें लिख दिए. I have already write down here. अब compare the numbers according their place values. Okay. All here 6. In ones place value, tens में भी 9 है. In 100 ये 3, all are 4 but this one is 3. Okay, next 3322. Now 10,000 is the biggest place value. All 4 numbers, इन चारों numbers में सबसे बड़ी place value 10,000 है, तो इधर 2 है. It means this is the lowest place value number, lowest number. Then 3232, all are same, but in this is but in 100 place value, this is 3, this is 4. It means this one is next number, this one first, this one second. Next 3332, It means 1000 place value is different. It is lower, it is smaller than 3. 2 is smaller than 3. It means this one number, this is the third number of digit. Next 4. So this is the ascending order of these digits, these numbers. Okay, 23,496, then 32,346, then 32,496, then 33,496. This is the ascending order. Just opposite descending order, it means biggest to smallest. अब यहीं पर हम ऐसे ही इसको भी हम इसी तरीके से कंपेयर करेंगे सभी नंबर को आपस में, और हम उनके नंबर लिखेंगे. देखिए, सबसे पहले वंस यार first of all we have to find the biggest number. So lakh, if we compare the number of lakh, place value of lakh, all are same. In 1000, 1131, it means 31 and 31,000 both are same. Then 100 में देखो 625, 256, it means this one is the largest number. Okay, biggest number of these numbers. This is number 1. Then number 2. In अगर दो नंबरों में देखें तो 1000 पोजीशन इज 11 and 10,000 is 11 and 1000 is 33. Then 100, 5 and 2, tens 2 and 5. It means 100 position, the place value of 100 is different. 5 is greater than 2. It means this is third number and this one is fourth number. Okay, biggest to smallest, बड़े से छोटा. ये smallest to biggest है, ये biggest to smallest है. So these are the solution of exercise 1.5. You have to solve only 5 questions. Don't write the full questions in your fair copy. Only 5 questions you have to solve in your fair copy. Okay. Now the next point is successor and predecessors. Successor means +1. Okay, and predecessor means -1. The successor of a number is a number that just after it is obtained by adding 1 to the number. किसी भी नंबर में अगर हम 1 प्लस करते हैं, नंबर 1 प्लस करते हैं, ओनली 1 प्लस करते हैं, तो हमें डायरेक्ट जो नेक्स्ट नंबर मिलता है वो सक्सीजर होता है. और प्रीडिसर्स में हम जस्ट बिफोर, इट मीन्स if we -1 subtract 1 from that number, we have to get that we have to obtain which number that is the predecessors. मतलब हम जब -1 करते हैं किसी में जस्ट बिफोर, यानी कि -1 किया तो जो नंबर हमें मिलता है, जो हमें प्राप्त होता है, that is called predecessor number. Okay, now this is the exercise 1.6. I have already done some questions of this exercise. 23,426 plus 1, this is the predecessors, and 7,90,900 -1 plus 1 किया तो 7,90,901. And predecessor is -1, 10,000 -1 is equal to 9,999. Okay, 0 -1, यहाँ से नहीं, तो यहाँ से हमने कैरी ओवर किया तो 999, इट मीन्स 9,999. and 6,32,500 -1 is equal to 6,32,499. This is the predecessors. Okay, now you have to solve this exercise 1.6 in your copy. Don't solve all questions in your fair copy. You have to solve only 5 questions in your fair copy. Okay, bye.